Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Michelle and I have another Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing for you guys. I got the regular $75 Lucky Bag as well as the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, which I unboxed the other day. I'll go ahead and link it above for you to go see what I got in that box. But I got a $75 Lucky Bag. This is the 5 or 6 year mark of doing these. The Lucky Bags come from the brand Beautylish. It's a online website that sells very high-end makeup. And they do this, they put these on sale the day after Christmas, and then they ship them out middle of January. So the grab bag concept is not new. It's fun. You anticipate what you're going to get. You see all sorts of other people start doing their unboxing, and you're like, ooh, what am I going to get in my box? But you never know. It could be good. It could be bad. You could already have it. The colors might not be right, but it might be something that you've been really wanting. So that's kind of just the whole excitement of the Lucky Bag concept. Again, they do these every year, and I don't know. I can't wait to see what I got. So they have two different type boxes that you can get. They have a $75 box. They also have a $150 box. I mentioned in my last video that I did try to get the $150 box, but they were sold out. I did get the $75 box, and you're supposed to get a guaranteed double your money in products back. So, for example, if I spent $75, I should be getting at least $150 worth of products back. So this is what I see. They pack these so well. I love the paper too. It is so cute. You can take it out, use it as wrapping paper, use it in a frame. It's just really cute. And then, ooh, the products come in this bubble wrap. First off, I see this product. This is a product that looks like it's been in almost every Lucky Bag. This is by the brand HoliFrog, and this is the Kiss Me Vitamin F Therapy Balmy Wash. Looks interesting. I've never heard of the brand. Mine is a little bit crumpled here on the side, but this does look like a new brand that Beautylish may be carrying, so I can't wait to give that a try. The next product is, I'm just going to pull out of the bag, not even look, not even try to look. Okay, this is cool. This is a brush. Let me see. I would think this is a Goss brush, because I think the Sony G have red handles. Yes, it's a Goss brush 02. That's cool. I have the big powder brush from Goss. I've got a couple Goss brushes. Oh, this is so soft. This looks like it would be great for highlighter. Awesome. I'm really excited about this. Next product I'm pulling out of the grab bag is, okay, this is from Good Molecules. This is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. That sounds pretty cool. I have one other product I got from Good Molecules, and I think it was in my last year's Lucky Bag. I haven't tried anything else from the brand, but I do like a good silicone-free primer, and I'm excited that that's what this is. Look at that size. It's a great size. What I will do is go ahead and put the value on the screen so you can see what each product is worth, and then at the end we will total it up to see if it was a good deal or not. Next product I'm pulling out, this is from the brand CoverFX Shimmer Veil. All right, I don't have one of these. Ooh. What is that? That's pretty. Is that like a cream eyeshadow? It just says Shimmer Veil in the color Soleil. Oh yeah. Okay, so it looks like a cream shadow. Pretty pinky champagne color. That's pretty. These look like maybe a dupe for the Stila liquid shadows. That's a really pretty color. Okay, that's cool. I will definitely use that. Next product I'm grabbing out. Oh, nice. This is cool. I'm happy with this. Natasha Denona Coral Palette. I love the packaging. I don't remember which one this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is awesome. I have several other Natasha Denona palettes. This is beautiful, and look at that middle shade. Hello, those colors are right up my alley. They look very similar to the colors I have on. That is beautiful, and I know that I will get tons and tons of use out of that one. That's awesome. So my Jeffree Star bag only had 5 products, and I just went through 5 products, and it looks like I've got 2 more in here. Let's see what I just pulled out. This is interesting. It looks like 2, let's see, duo lip colors by the brand Sugar Pill. I have never tried that brand. This is the Little Twin Stars liquid lipsticks. Now I love a good liquid lipstick, you guys. I'm all about the liquid lipsticks. These look like the Jeffree Star packaged liquid lipsticks. Those are really pretty colors. Maybe I can use this as like an eyeliner or something, because that definitely is not going to be going on my lips, but that's a pretty pink for the summer. Okay, cool. It's pretty good. And then one more product. I'm thinking this might be an extra lucky bag. This is a Jeffree Star 5-pack of the liquid lipsticks. How interesting that I got so many liquid lipsticks, you know? Wow. Again, not mad at it. I love the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick formula. This is the 5-year anniversary edition. Very pretty. Let's see what colors are in here. I can't even read it. Drug Lord, Doll Parts, which I already have, Androgyny, which I already have, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. So the red, super interesting to me. I already have these 2 colors, and then the white. What can you do with the white liquid lipstick? I don't know, but I guess we may try it out. Maybe that might be good for like lightening or mixing with other colors. Okay, that's pretty cool. So a 5-pack liquid lipsticks. I got the 2 Twin Star lipsticks. Little Twin Star lipsticks. I guess I wasn't too far off. By Sugar Pill. I got the primer. I got the Shimmer Veil from CoverFX. I got the Natasha Denona palette. That's awesome. I got the brush and this HoliFrog. Okay, I have to say, I don't know the values yet. I will look them up and again put them on the screen. But I have to say, maybe this might be an extra lucky bag. You know, they do have those that they put extra products in, you get extra value. So that might be the case here, and I am really pretty pleased with this box overall. Definitely new brands and products that will be new to me that I'll be trying out. I love this brush. I love Wayne Goss brushes. So overall, this was a great box to get. So that does it for my 2020 Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. Let me know what you guys got if you got a box. Were you excited? Were you disappointed? Let me know what you got. I would love to hear from you, so leave me comments down below. Were you happy? Were you sad? Were you disappointed? Just, you know, you get all those mix of emotions when you enter into a box like this. But again, I willingly gave my money, not knowing what I was going to get. And this time I was very happy about it. So hope you guys got good boxes as well. I appreciate you joining me so very much. Also wanted to mention that I will have my regularly scheduled Friday video up for you on Friday evening as well. 6:00 p.m. Eastern. It's going to go up. I've already filmed it. I've got to get it edited and up for you, but that will be done on Friday, as I always post a video or try to post a video on Friday. These 2 Beautylish unboxing videos were just bonus videos this week. So I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah! Bye.